आज की हमारी एक्टिविटी का नाम है सेपरेट द गिवन मिक्सचर ऑफ आयरन फिलिंग एंड सैंड बाय फिजिकल मेथड। इसके लिए अपैरेटस चाहिए, वाच ग्लास और ग्लास प्लेट, मैग्नेट, केमिकल जो चाहिए वो ये है आयरन फिलिंग, सैंड और procedure. Take a small quantity of the given mixture of iron fillings and sand, china dish or watch glass. Now take a magnet and cover it with plastic sheet and move the magnet the mixture. The magnet picks up the iron filling. Remove the iron filling from the magnet by loosening cover of plastic sheet with the help of fingers in another watch glass. Repeat the process of moving the magnet into the mixture till no more iron filling remain in the mixture. Only sand is left behind in watch glass. Thus the mixture of iron filling and sand is separated by. हमारे पास ये दो वाच ग्लास हैं। वाच ग्लास के लिए हम ये दो चाइना डिश भी ले सकते हैं। अब हम आयरन फिलिंग
लेते हैं
और सैंड अब ये हम आयरन फिलिंग और सैंड का बन गया मिक्सचर। अब हमारे पास एक मैग्नेट है और ये प्लास्टिक शीट है। इसके ऊपर अगर हम आयरन फिलिंग अलग कर लेंगे, ये अच्छी तरह से लगा हो गया। आप में से कोई बच्चा बता सकता है ये क्या है?
मैग्नेट।
इसके कितने पोल हैं?
दो।
कौन कौन से?
पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव।
मैग्नेट किन चीजों को अपनी तरफ खींचता है?
आयरन निकल कोबाल्ट।
Name the method for separation which may be used to separate the components of the following mixture. A. Part A. Common salt and aluminium fillings.
Filtration and evaporation of solution of our common salt.
Ammonium chloride and common salt.
Sublimation.
Part C. Common salt, sand and iron filling.
Magnetic separation. 2. Filtration. 3. Evaporation.
Which of the following material are attracted by magnet? Plastic, copper, brass, nickel, iron, nail, gold.
Nickel and iron nails are attracted by magnet. Plastic, copper, brass, zinc, gold and wood are not attracted by magnet.
Question number 3. Which of the following method will be used to separate mixture containing common salt and sand?
With the help of bar magnet.
Name the method which can be used to separate boiled rice from water in the kitchen.
By filtration using the sieve. By using the strain.
Question number 5. What is the chemical name and formula of sand?
The chemical name of sand is silicon dioxide and its formula is SiO2.
Question number 6. Why iron is attracted toward a magnet and not the sand?
Iron is a magnetic substance due to presence of unpaired electron and thus it is attracted by a magnet. But sand is a demagnetic. Before it is not attracted by magnet.
Question number 7. Name any 5 mixtures used in daily life.
Milk, tea, air, sugar solution, salt solution.